Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. Today guys, again we'll take a look at the euro currency. Although we're watching for a couple of patrons on the other currencies, as we said yesterday, it's interesting on the Great British Pound. Although market has shown significant plunge down yesterday on the comments from the Bank of England, and in fact market has reached the destination point of the potential free drive pattern. So I will show you the picture. So you can see this is the area of the crossing of the extensions. This 1618 of this one and 127 on that one. And in fact, theoretically, when the free drive pattern starts to work, it should turn to the upward direction, right, somewhere from this area. But what is negative moment here is that market has shown the significant plunge down, and this is always treated as a bad sign for reversal. So we would like to get gradual action, the slowdown of the downward action at the point of the reversal, but not the acceleration. And acceleration is mostly the complicated factor here rather than easing factor. Anyway, right now as this plunge just has finished, we haven't got any reversal patterns yet on the intraday charts that could let us to understand whether the reversal will take place or market just will continue to move lower and the free drive will fail. But taking into consideration what we have seen on the Great British Pound recently, I'm not really very count on the reversal here. That's why it's better to be very careful with any reversal patterns and in general with the expectation of the reversal on the Great British Pound. Because previously we have expected to get the bread and butter buy and on the monthly chart, and there was really more pretty looking patterns could be formed around. So for example, this could be the hand shoulders butterfly pattern that we could get here, and that could trigger the retracement up, but all of them have failed, and this just tells that something is pressing on the market and that doesn't let it to show the retracement. That's why, although the free drive is the next possible reversal pattern here, but we should treat it with the suspicious and to be extra careful with the attempt to take any long position on Great British Pound. So today I do not see anything that could be done on the Great British Pound, so just need to wait a bit and see what will happen on intraday charts. That's why today we mostly will take a look again on the euro currency. But on the euro currency we probably do not need even the daily chart. We'll start directly from the 4-hour time frame chart. So our short-term setup mostly stands with the expectation that market should hit the 2320 area as the target of this ABC top D pattern. That's 1618 extension hasn't been tested yet. And yesterday we said as if market will fail around these areas, weekly pivot point and fib resistance 12, 25, 15 areas probably will increase chance of the appearing of the butterfly and increase chance of the possible downward continuation. And that has happened. So you can see market has failed to pass through this resistance again and turn down again. So just to increase the scale, let's see the butterfly is better. So what we have here, from the one point of view, we have bearish classical pattern that calls us the flag and suggests downward continuation. Why I marked this area with this red circle. From the another point of view, you see that the market is forming here side by side multiple stop grabbers that theoretically suggest taking out of this top, okay, if they will work. But guys, taking into consideration recent action and existence of the uncompleted point here, I wouldn't bet on this. I wouldn't take the stake on these grabbers right now. Maybe this will work, but the odds suggest on the possible still on the downward continuation. It seems that odds stands mostly in favor of downward continuation still rather than the working of these grabbers, because market had the chance yesterday but it has failed. It has no power to pass through this resistance area. It for the second time dropped below the weekly pivot point, and that just tells that market hasn't enough power for passing through this resistance area. Maybe only if we will get some negative statistics from the United States, maybe this could push market in the short-term perspective a bit higher. But right now, taking into consideration recent action here and existence of untouched and completed pattern, we think that the chances on the downward continuation looks more preferable rather than the upside action. That's our current view on the situation here current. So existence of this butterfly seems not really small. It could appear. At the same time, if market will pass through this and this grabber start to work, we can't exclude that market could form another butterfly here to the upside, right? So that could be the left wing of the butterfly, that could be the right wing of the butterfly. That's also possible. On the hourly time frame chart, we see that currently market take the shape mostly of the triangle pattern, and here market has failed to pass through this trend lines. You can see market has made the 3 attempts to pass through it and failed, returning back down to this support line. And in fact, as you understand, depending on the breakout direction, as the continuation will follow. So if market will break it to the downside, then market will continue with this butterfly that we have drawn on the hourly chart. If it will see the upside breakout, then probably it will tell that grabbers have started to work. So what particular trading action we could make here? So if you would like to test and try to trade these grabbers, we have no objection against this, because this really could happen. Besides, you could place very tight stop. So placing the stop just below the lows of these grabbers seems logical solution, and this probably will not lead to a significant loss if even market will fail here and continue to move down. At the same time, if grabbers will start to work, we have the chance to get this butterfly with a significant upside potential in the short-term perspective, and the risk-reward ratio probably will be acceptable. That's the first possible way of the thoughts that you could apply in the current situation. If you would like to take the short position, well, in this case it's better to wait when the market will erase the grabbers. That will be just safer. After that, when this will happen, and if this will happen, you should calculate the risk-reward ratio, because if we suggest that market will hit this target, whether it will be interesting for you for taking the short position, what the risk-reward ratio will be hit there. That will be also the question. So that's approximate way what could be done today on the euro currency, but all of these scenarios, mostly the tactical, does not really carry any meaning for strategical view on the euro currency. Just want to remind you that our target on the euro currency stands approximately at 122 area on the monthly chart. Anyway, if even this butterfly will take place, the market will show this big ABCD pattern to the upside, so will probably complete simultaneously at the same area. Just take a look at it right here. This will be completion of the ABCD butterfly. Yes, 127 butterfly will complete here at the same target where this ABCD pattern stands. Okay, so maybe it will work. You can see now the euro is trying to push it high. Well, but in the big pictures, hardly it will change. It just will be the short-term retracement, and we also think about the possible using for the taking the short position. So let's see what will happen today.